Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. Kotlin Android App Development Lesson 2. Text View Button. Set on-click listener for button. Android widgets. In Android there are a lot of widgets. Text view, button, radio button, checkbox, edit text, drop down, scroll pan. There are a lot of widgets. So today we are going to learn about the two widgets. One is text view and another one is the button. And for the button, how to add the listener, on-click listener. Android text view. Android text view is a basic user interface element that helps you to display text to the user. It used to display a text to the user, right? Not to type. Text view is not to type, just to display the information to the user. Following Kotlin Android tutorials take a through implementation of a simple text view to display hello world. To create text view dynamically, Android widgets. In Android Studio, there are a lot of widgets. Text view, edit text, button, radio buttons, checkbox, list view. There are so a lot of widgets. So today we are going to talk about the Android text view and the Android button and set on click listener to the button. Android text view. Android text view is a basic user interface element that helps you to display text to the user. To display the text, not to type the text, to display the text to the user. Following Kotlin Android tutorials take you through implementation of a simple text view to display hello world. To create text view dynamically through programming and set a listener to it is to respond for click on the text view to get acquainted with some of the properties of text view like color, font size, background, layout option, etc. Android buttons. Buttons are present in most of the user interface applications. Android provides button as a user interface element wherein a user can tap on it or click or triggering an action. Following Kotlin Android tutorial help you to get started with Android button, create a button dynamically through programming and add it to the user interface layout, set an action listener to it to listen for clicks, change some of the default properties like text color, text size, background, etc. Kotlin set on click listener for button. Android button widget is a UI element generally used to receive user action as input. You can click on a button, long press or etc. In this example, we shall learn to set on click listener for a button. Right. So we will do this exercise. So here I have opened my Android Studio. When you're opening the Android Studio second time, it will be straight away open the last project what you have opened here. In my case, what we did, the last project is here. If you want, you can keep that one and you can go to File and New Project. You can click New Project or you can close that one. I better to close that one because if you have a lot of windows, initially you will be confused. So I will click File, Close Project. And now here I will click New Project. Now I have told about this activity. So I will select Empty Activity and click Next. I will say App 2, right? The path is I'm giving the default path, language Kotlin. the SDK version, I will select the previous one. What we used in the previously, we used the KitKat, right? And click finish. So it will importing all the Gradle and building all the Gradle. You have to wait until that. Gradle configure projects, right? So you have to wait until the Gradle build the model. Here you can see, right? It's now completed. You know, this is main activity.kt Kotlin, main activity XML. This is the design view. Here there is a hello world. I will go to the code view. I prefer the code view, right? I will delete this existing text view, the XML. Okay. So here you have Android constraint layout, the main layout, right? Here Android layout with match parent according to the match layout width mean according to the device size it will take the width. Android layout height according to the device size height it will take the height. That is the match parent. Now I will add the following lines. So here first I am putting a linear layout. We will learn the layout in the coming lessons. The linear layout, one after another. We have to place the widgets one after another. That's why I am using linear layout. Here the linear layout tag starts here and the linear layout here. And I am giving ID for the linear layout. ID LL main layout. It means you can give any ID. The ID name can be anything. So I am just giving LL, linear layout, main layout. Here also I am giving the match parent, the width and the height according to the size, device size. Android gravity center, right? The layout should be centered everywhere. And the orientation vertically, you can give horizontally. If you want to make it linear, one after another, horizontally, you can give horizontal. Here, one down, another vertical view give. So here the text view. Below the text view, the button will be displayed, right? So here the text view, Android layout width, wrap content. I am giving the width, right? For the text view, wrap content. When you give wrap content, it will take the size according to the content, right? According to the text, right? So if there is a lengthy word, it will be automatically size to that one. If it is a short word, it will reduce the size according to that. That is the wrap content. Android height also the wrap content, same. I am giving a text initially hello world and the text size. Here I am changing a property, text size 72 pixels, little bit larger, and giving a color, Android text color, a red color, hexadecimal value. So here I will show that one. Here now when you go to the design, here you can see it's centered, hello world in red color, the size also little bit bigger, right? I'll click here and I'll come back to the code, right? This is important. Android ID, I'm giving ID, that is important to identify the text view. Add plus ID txt out, this is the ID, txt out is the ID I am giving for this text view. Next the button, here the button, I am giving ID for the button also, that is important here. Android ID, but BTN click me. Notice this ID also. Here also layout with wrap content, layout height wrap content. The text size properties and the text click me. So this is the interface, user interface, the design, hello world. Here there is a button. Right, now we will go to the main activity Kotlin file. Here in the main activity Kotlin file, here the import, we have to import the library files, whatever we need. So here we are using text view and a button. So we have to import Android widget button, import Android widget text view. These to a button class. This is the class, text view class in the library. Here, this is the main class. Here, super on create, set content view R mean resources, resource activity main. So under the activity main, we have to initialize the two button. Here, val btn click me equal find view by ID, resources ID, button click me. We have named the identifying from the XML here, right? We have named btn click me as button. Val text out find by ID, RID, txt out text view. Now we have to set the listener. So here we have to set the listener. Right, this is the code. We have to put the btn click me. This is the ID we gave, the button click. We have casted that one. Set on click listener. Txt out set text welcome to IT Boost. And now we can run the program. Here we have already configured the virtual device. Click run app. So the Gradle build running. You have to wait until it runs. So wait until it runs. It will automatically launch the program. Right, here Gradle invocation finished, 0 errors. Here you have a text view and a button. When you click on the button, it says welcome to IT Boost. I'll click back. Here app 2, click that one. Click me. When you click that button, it says welcome to IT Boost. Right? I hope you enjoyed the video and learn about the text view, button and set on click listener for the button. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, comment in the comment box.